Okay, so today we're going to talk a little bit about how to set up an essay in MLA format. I'll assume you have Microsoft Word open already, and there's a few components for MLA formatting. We need to have Times New Roman 12-point font, and we need to have double spaced with 1-inch margins. Now in Microsoft Word, your margins should be set at 1 inch as the default, so we shouldn't have to mess around with that at all. Let's go ahead up at the top here. You can follow my cursor and change the font style from Calibri to Times New Roman and the size from 11 to 12. So next, let's change our spacing. There's a few ways to do this. I'm going to come up to where it says paragraph and click the little box next to it. Where it says line spacing, I'm going to change it from multiple to double. And don't forget the really important element to click the box here that says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. If you forget to click this box here, you're going to end up with some goofy extra spaces between your paragraphs. So our spacing is set, our font and our font size is set. Let's go ahead and put our heading in. It'll be your name, the teacher's name, whatever class you're in, and we usually have it abbreviated and use the course number and the section number. And then the date in MLA style. And in MLA style we do day, month, year. And you can also see there's no commas or anything right here. It's just day, month, year. Okay. I usually remind myself to put a title in by centering the word title in capital letters so that I don't forget when I'm ready to go. And the last step will be to add in our header. So again, a few ways to do this. An easy way is to double click at the top. You can see the header and footer tools have opened. We're going to choose page number. You're going to want to choose header because that's what you're putting in. We're actually going to choose page number. We're going to choose top of page. We're going to choose plain number 3. Here we will type in our own last name, put in a space, so there should be a space between your name and the page number. And then the last step here will be to make sure that this is also in Times New Roman 12-point font. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to come back to my menu here to change it Times New Roman 12. There's a few different ways to do that. That's how I do it. I'll come back to the header and footer tools. I will click close. And now I'm all ready to go with my essay template. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to my appropriate folder as an essay template. And I'm also going to make sure that I save it as an RTF file, as rich text format. And we recommend that you save all your files in that format for this class. So I'll go ahead and click save. And now I'm all ready to go. So the next time I need to make an essay, to write an essay, I can just open this template. I can change the date to whatever date it needs to be. I can put in my original title for the assignment, and then I'm ready to begin my first paragraph.